guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pancakes. So first let me run you through the equipment. So we have a bowl here and like a spatula, and we have a pancake pan sort of sense. So this is a special one for pancakes. You can use any you like. And we have a whisk here, an electric whisk. So, and then here we have a lemon juicer. And I am joined with my dad and Charlie, my brother.
So now I'm going to run you through the things that you will need. So first you will need self-raising white flour, some butter, some lemons. Well, you don't have to have them, but we're just going to juice them for the ingredients on here, and some eggs and some milk, I think.
Yeah.
And then we are also going to need sugar if you want to put them in the pancakes.
Yeah,
you can put whatever you want. You can put whatever you want.
Putting
But that's
lemon
just,
juice and sugar on it.
yes,
It's very nice. You should try it.
Yeah, you should try it. The first thing you want to do is to crack 2 eggs into a bowl.
So you can crack one, I'll get the other. Good.
And make sure to wash your hands after doing this, because if you eat raw egg, it can make you quite ill. Not quite, but just a little bit ill.
I think raw eggs okay now, Charlie.
Oh.
Yeah. It was a problem in the 80s when they had salmonella.
Oh, I think there's a tiny bit of shell in there.
Don't worry about
Just there.
Don't worry. The shell tastes
Okay.
good. Give it.
The next thing we want to do is pour some milk in. Okay?
You might need an adult to tell you how much to pour in.
Perfect. That's about it.
You might need an adult to tell you how much to pour in. Like you should. You might need an adult to help tell
So
you
now how much flour are we putting in?
But Charlie, do you want to shuffle that in? Till I say stop.
Okay, so you can just watch how much we're putting in about.
Okay. Let's try that. Stop. So the thing with our pancake recipe is we don't do any measurements. We just put the ingredients in until we get the right consistency.
Eyeball it.
We eyeball it, exactly.
Shall I mix it now?
No, we're going to use the electric whisk.
Okay, so now you use the electric whisk. Whoa, see you in a minute. Okay, so you need to whisk it up until it's in a nice even consistency. So, whoa, start that.
Right, after you've done that, make sure if the way we know it's done is if there's bubbles on the top, and make sure there's no lumps in it either.
And if there aren't, then you're good. So now we're going to just turn the pan on to 8. So doing that, turn it on to 8. And always remember to get an adult to help you with this bit. And
next you put the butter in, but if there's some smoke in this bit and you have a fire alarm, don't worry, there's not a fire in your house.
that always happens when we're making them.
It does, doesn't it?
If you hear the fire alarm, we'll prove actually. It's right up there. I don't think you can see. Oh, you definitely can't see.
Should we
Right, so once you put some in, then you just wait for it to melt.
Until there are lots of bubbles around it.
Nice.
And we're going to put the extractor fan on to lessen the chances of the fire alarm going off. That's it. Very good.
Okay, so now there are just bubbles. And
let's get a ladle.
Now what you want to do is pour the mixture, the mixture we made earlier, into the pan. And I don't recommend doing any flips with it.
You don't recommend flips?
No.
Why not?
You can if you want, but I wouldn't.
Let's see how we get on.
pancakes are ready.
Now.
Putting it in. First pancake. Pancake number 1. This is a big one.
Oh, it's massive. It's too big. Whoops. So you just want to leave that there for a few minutes.
Until it looks ready.
Until it's ready. Now, what will happen is, around the edge of the pancake, I'll just move this closer so you can see. When it's hot enough, it will start to curl up, and that's when you know that it's ready to be flipped. And you can the pancake is separated.
Not actually
from the pan.
flip over, just like with the spatula, you just turn it over.
Exactly. That's nearly ready to go. There we are.
And when it's the both sides, when it's ready, should look a bit like this.
So we'll just let that cook there for a minute.
Yep, just leave it cook for a minute. Now we're just going to juice the lemons on this while we're cooking the pancakes. So Charlie's just going to do that. Also, tip, when you're juicing the lemons, once you've done it, because your fingers might have lemon juice on them, don't rub your eyes because it will sting a lot. I think you know that, Charlie. Yep.
Hey guys, watch this.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Alright.
That was really.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We're just finishing off making the last pancakes. Charlie's still juicing it, juicing the lemons. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It makes me very happy. And I would like to hear your thoughts, so please comment. And thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.